Hi everyone. It's Decroly Education Center. Welcome to our video on Contemporary Approaches to Psychology, an overview. If you find this content insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on psychology and beyond. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Enjoy the video. The field of psychology has evolved significantly over the years, integrating historical concepts into contemporary frameworks. Today, the primary approaches to psychological study include psychoanalytic, behavioral, humanistic, cognitive, biological, and sociocultural perspectives. Each approach offers unique insights into human behavior, influenced by different factors and methodologies. Psychoanalytic psychology, pioneered by Sigmund Freud, emphasizes the importance of the unconscious mind. Freud posited that our conscious thoughts are merely the surface of a deeper, more complex psychological landscape. He believed that unconscious motivations and conflicts, often rooted in primitive biological urges, significantly influence our behavior. Freud introduced innovative techniques such as free association, where patients verbalize their thoughts without censorship, allowing for the exploration of unconscious processes. He also employed dream analysis to uncover hidden desires and conflicts. Freud meticulously documented his clinical experiences, which contributed to his comprehensive theory of personality. His ideas about unconscious motivation remain influential and contentious in modern psychology, with many psychologists either supporting or challenging his theories. The techniques of free association and intensive case studies continue to play a vital role in psychoanalytic practice today. Behavioral psychology marks a departure from the introspective methods of psychoanalysis. Pioneered by Ivan Pavlov, this approach focuses on observable behavior and the environmental factors that shape it. Pavlov's famous experiment with dogs demonstrated classical conditioning, where a neutral stimulus, a tuning fork, became associated with a significant stimulus, food, eliciting a conditioned response, salivation. John B. Watson further solidified the behaviorist perspective, arguing that psychology should focus solely on observable behaviors rather than internal mental processes. B. F. Skinner expanded on this by introducing the concept of reinforcement, which explains how behaviors can be shaped through rewards and punishments. Skinner's vision of a society conditioned for desirable behavior is illustrated in his novel, Walden 2, where he imagines a utopian community governed by behavioral principles. Humanistic psychology emerging as a response to both psychoanalysis and behaviorism, humanistic psychology emphasizes personal growth and self-direction. Key figures like Abraham Maslow, Carl Rogers, and Rollo May advocated for a view of human nature that highlights individuality and the potential for self-actualization. This approach contends that while environmental factors play a role, they serve primarily as a backdrop to our internal growth processes. Humanistic psychology focuses on the uniqueness of each individual and their capacity for personal development, leading to a more fulfilling life. Cognitive psychology. Since the 1950s, cognitive psychology has gained prominence, driven by the contributions of scholars such as Jean Piaget, Noam Chomsky, and Leon Festinger. This approach investigates the mental processes involved in how we perceive, store, and utilize information. Cognitivists assert that behavior is influenced by a range of cognitive activities, including perception, memory, and problem-solving. By exploring these mental processes, cognitive psychology provides a more nuanced understanding of behavior beyond mere stimulus-response patterns. Biological psychology, or psychobiology, emphasizes the interplay between biological factors and behavior. This approach examines how the brain, nervous system, hormones, and genetics influence human actions. Advanced imaging technologies, such as PET and CAT scans, have enhanced our understanding of the biological underpinnings of behavior. Research in this field has revealed significant genetic contributions to various behaviors, such as the heritability of conditions like autism. Biological psychology underscores the notion that our physiological makeup plays a crucial role in shaping our behavior. Sociocultural psychology. The sociocultural approach to psychology investigates how cultural and social factors impact behavior and mental processes. This perspective considers how ethnicity, gender, culture, and socioeconomic status shape our thoughts, feelings, and actions. For instance, sociocultural psychologists explore how cultural norms influence seemingly simple behaviors, such as sneezing, and the social responses that accompany them. Additionally, this approach examines the integration of diverse immigrant populations in society and the implications of changing demographics on social attitudes and behaviors. Conclusion: the landscape of contemporary psychology is rich and diverse, with each approach offering valuable insights into the complexities of human behavior. From the unconscious motivations highlighted by psychoanalytic theory to the observable behaviors studied in behaviorism, and the cognitive processes explored in cognitive psychology, each perspective contributes to a holistic understanding of the human experience. As psychology continues to evolve, the interplay between these approaches will undoubtedly yield further discoveries and advancements in the field. Table: Contemporary approaches to psychology. Table.